Welcome to the live classes, physical classes here in the office, courtesy of EQ Markets Global. So today we are going to be looking at inducements and levels. Topic inducement, levels on top of levels. We're going to be looking at it right now today here in the office, and it's beautiful that you can actually stream with us online. So you're all welcome to today's class. Stream so people can join us. Okay. 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 Just hold it. I hold it. All right, guys. Welcome. So, how was your week? How was your week, guys? Was good, Abby? Mrs. Hawa, how was your week? So I'm happy that gradually, from the screenshot most of our students are sending me, gradually, it looks like we're getting it, Abby. We're gradually getting it. So we know that we'll definitely get it. Clearly, you can see USD CHF. We took that trade last week, Wednesday. And as of today, we're in profit. It took some time, but definitely. So you can see that what we are learning here is working. If it's not working, you will not be in profit. Is that not so? Yes. Very good. So we're going to proceed. So, Mrs. Hawa, you were saying something? US 100. Okay. You know, we're going to use different approach. Sometimes if we cannot find a trade with our approach, we can still look at the market from a different perspective as well. Okay. So US 100, let's look at it. So let's look at a weekly time frame first. Weekly time frame, this market has been going up. I think it has even made an all-time high. Okay. I don't see any price action that the market wants to respect at the moment. This is on a weekly time frame. So let me check a daily time frame. Trust me, if there was a retracement, it's going to be massive. And while that retracement looks very, very juicy and promising, it can also be a trap. Because whenever the market makes a new all-time high, everybody is expecting a correction. Is that true? Yes. Everybody is expecting what? A correction whenever the market has made a new all-time high. Prof, you're welcome. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Prof, how is your USD CHF trade? I hope it has not hit your stop loss.
No.
Okay.
I decided not to
allow you to run.
I just decided to allow it to run.
But you should be in profit now.
Yes.
He's in $3 profits. How about you? Guys, let's close our USD CHF trade so that our mind will leave that trade. He's looking like he's very, very worried. Please just close it so that your mind will leave it. Just close it. We will look for it. The thing has been slowing too much. Very, very slow. How much? Close now. At least that's right. We said we have tried.
Yeah.
You can close your own too. You have closed. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, you want to? You see now, she has mind. So let's close it so that at least before you say, I told you it's in profit, you say we should leave it. But don't worry, before today runs out, before this week runs out, before today and tomorrow, we'll definitely pick on that trade. You know, it's a weekly something. Whenever we come, we'll always pick a trade. So at least let that one go. We'll pick on that one. We've tried now.
Yeah, right.
This Friday,
you can imagine. So at least we'll pick on that one. So US 100. So if we look at US 100, even on a daily too, it has made like a new all-time high, right? Let's look at those levels that the market has respected in the past. So if you ask me, the market is not showing anything sell at the moment. It's just showing buys, 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 buys. So if I want to enter this market, I'll be looking for opportunities to actually buy this market. Let me switch it down to a much more smaller time frame to see if I can find any level. Okay. Okay. So I can see this level because if I use our top-down analysis approach, I may not be able to pick a trade, quickly. So, but if you look at what is happening now with this drop and then this correction, I can see this level here that served as break of structure, right? And the market still came back down and dropped from it. The market still went back here and then broke from it. So my best bet is that the market is still going to drop to this point, and then when it is picking up, then I can enter in for a buy trade. So for now, US 100, I don't see it selling anytime soon. For now, no. Let me also, I just seen something else.
Just
I'm coming, sir. Okay. So now I'm seeing something else. Now look at this level right here. This level here that was, which is what I want to be teaching today. I've already entered into the lecture of today. So I want to teach this thing today. So it might look strange to you, but just follow me. So we can see this level here that has been tested multiple times, right? And then the markets drop here, came here, bought from here, brought from here, then finally dropped here. So currently the market has still gone back to this level. So there's a high chance that this level can hold. The market can decide to drop from here, and then at least we will be looking out for what will happen here. This is like where the market is going to apply a little bit of break. If it breaks this point, then it is going to this side. But if it respects here, then it will come back to this side. Are we getting it? So today our topic is inducement and area of confluence. All right? Inducement. Everybody say inducement. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. And area of confluence. Confluence. Amazing. So,
That's what
yeah.
that's up there. You know, the supply running.
Yeah. Over here,
No, there.
this one,
No, the present.
this one.
Yes.
No. It's not, even if it's going to be a supply zone, it has not fully formed yet. Supply zone is something that has already happened, right? So something like this now, rally base drop, it has already happened. But this one now is still forming. So we will not know if it will be a supply zone or not. We need to allow it to happen first. Okay?
so the here not have any.
This is on a smaller time frame, 1 hour. Yeah, because it's really not stable. I like to end it at 4 hours. So, area of confluence and also inducement. Okay. Now, when we talk about inducement, now follow me, guys. I've taken my time to prepare this lecture, and both yourself and our clients online, I want everybody to pay close attention to this lecture because it's going to help every one of us. Let me see. I think, okay, you have posted it. One minute. All right, I've posted it. So when we say inducement, what do you think inducement is? Inducement. Anybody? Tricking somebody into doing something, right? Then we'll say confluence, area of confluence. What do you mean area of confluence? Right? So in the market, in Forex, when we say area of confluence, we mean an area that is serving multiple purposes. Do you understand? An area that is serving more than just one purpose. Example, what we call support and resistance. Support is an area that price what? Buys from. Is that not so?
Yes.
Please, let's be very, very lively in this class. Because what I'm about to show you here is going to completely change how you see the market. Support is where price consistently what? Buys from. Right? So it is expected that anytime price comes to this side, is going to what? Buy from that side. Is that not so?
Yes.
If price now decides now to come now and break through that point, right? And then what? Goes back up to that same level and crash back down. What was previously support is now serving as what? Resistance. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So this area is what we now call an area of what? Confluence. Meaning that area is serving the purpose of two things. It's serving as a region to support price to go up. It's also serving as a region to resist price to what? Come down. Are we together? So same thing, alternatively, even for a trade that is, let's say, going up, for example. Are we together? If the market is already going up, right? Let me explain it for you now. Or let's say the market is coming down. Let's do up. If the market is going up, right? And then we have this level here that has previously served as an area of resistance or like a break of structure, right? And then the market still comes back to that same level right here, right? What does that mean? This right here is an area of what? Confluence. So there's every chance that the market can still come back to that same area of confluence and use what was a support and use it as what? A resistance. Are we together?
Yes.
Come on, guys, are we following?
Yes.
So that's what we're going to be looking at today. That's what we're going to be looking at today. So let's look at let me log into a premium account so that we'll really get the best out of this lecture. Prof, have you closed your trade?
Yes.
Amazing. So have you closed your trade? Sharp. You don't joke with money, oh. Sign into. Okay. So I want to. Those of us online, just follow us. Drop a comment. You can also share this video to your friends as well. By all means, let's learn together. So let's look at, let's say, GBP AUD, for example. GBP AUD. All right. So this is GBP AUD, guys. Now, looking at this market now, on a daily time frame, don't miss this. If you look at this market on a daily time frame, and I say analyze this market, or I say let's look at those areas that have served multiple purposes, I'm trying to say, find out those break of structures that has been used multiple times. Are we together? So if we look at this market now, we can definitely see if we are coming down like this, right? If we are coming down like this, we'll definitely meet this level. We'll also meet what? This other level. It is very, very interesting to note that this level has been created first, which was now referred to as a break of structure. But this same level is being reacted to by what is happening here in price action. Are we together? So it's very, very easy. It's not hard. We're just going to use a horizontal line. If I keep my horizontal line, at this level now, for example, what am I trying to get? I'm trying to get a particular price level that is serving multiple purposes. Why didn't I use it here? Why didn't I use it here? It's because all of these guys are actually reacting to a particular level. If I pick my level from here, remember this place is also a breaker, so it's a level that price dropped from, and then finally what? We have finally had a break of structure somewhere here. Are we together?
Yes.
So this particular level, this is the original level. No worries, it's going to come back on. All right. So this right here is the original level, right? That we had a break of structure here. Now, when we're talking breaking of structure, we're talking about the body of the candlestick, not the wick. If it is a wick, it's not a break of structure. It's equal high or equal low. True of us. But when we have a body that closes, we call it what? A break of structure. So this is the original level right here. So price interacted with it again here. And you can see price is also what? Interacting with what? That same level right here. Can you see it? The next level I'm now going to consider will be here. I'm going to consider this level right here. I'm going to consider this level. Do you know I'm going to consider it? Because we have a break of structure here. Price has still come back to that level. Come back just like that. So I'm basically looking out for those price points that the market has contested multiple times. Look at this one. The market broke here, break of structure here, came back for a retest, came back for a retest, came back again for a retest. Are we together?
Yes.
So we definitely know that if the market trades below here, the next is just like we're climbing a step. We're climbing a staircase. Are we together? If the market gets to this point and it wants to keep going down, you definitely know where it's coming back to. It's coming to what? This level. After it breaks this level, it's going to go to another area of what? Confluence. Can you see another area of confluence? Can you see another one? Anybody? Can you see it? Price got here, it dropped. This is on a daily time frame. For one full day, it couldn't break this point. Finally, it broke out of it, came back just like that. It tested it multiple times again. Can you see it? So we're basically looking for places that price has what? tested what? Multiple times. The next place I will consider as an area of interest, like an area of confluence, will be, let's say this price point here. Somebody will say, Coach Priye, what of this place? Why didn't you consider this place? The reason why I did not consider this place is because I'm considering the extreme. The extreme. Are we together? This is the extreme. And this extreme perfectly aligns with this level right here. That is why I'm considering that point. So at the end of the day, follow me, guys. We've been able to mark out all of the levels to say, listen, if we have a retracement and then the price is actually what? Dropping aggressively, it gets to here first. If it continues dropping, it comes here. All of these places are places that price can actually what? Reverse from. Are we together? Yes. If it breaks here, it comes here. Now, this is for people who want to scalp the market. Do you understand? Or let's say you want to hold your trade for maybe days, just like that. You want to just pretty much want to ride the trend. So from here, it's coming here. From here, it's coming here. These levels are not just random. These levels are levels that have been tested and tested and tested again. Are you here?
Yes.
I hope you are not confused. You are following up, Abi? Gradually, yeah. Just follow up. So if we click on the replay button, what can we find? So you can see what's happening. What is happening here? It has gone to this level. Are you seeing? It got to this other level. Can you see? So you can see that this level here that we marked is a level that what? Price is what? Reacting from. Are we seeing? If it breaks this level, it's coming to this level. So already, let me pause it for a moment. So since you have been able to mark out those levels, it guides you. You know that if the market is dropping, you would have taken your profit from here. You would have taken your profit here. Is that not so? Yes. If the market continues to keep on going down, you just enter your small scalping trade. You know those, but you know that ultimately here you'll be doing nothing. When the market gets, whenever you are doing nothing. If you're on a trade, you must have closed your trade. Like steps. They are the places that the market will make a decision. So even when the market went to this level right here, you must have taken your trade. This sharp push to the downside will not swallow up your profits. You can imagine buying from here, right? And the market got to this point, and then you didn't close your trade. And then, boom, this thing happened. There's no way you would have seen this thing happening. But because of you have that line in place, that you have been able to get a level, that this is a level that has been contested multiple times. What does that tell you? See, I don't know if, nobody knows what is going to happen next. But at least you know that once the market has gotten to this point, I shouldn't be on any trade. I should be waiting for what will happen next. And then what happened? Piap! Is it a coincidence that the market still came back to the same line and then bought from that line? It's not okay. All these things, they are not random. They are pre-planned. When the market maker is pushing a price from here to here, it has been pre-planned already that let us drive the price from so-so price from 1.91, let's drive it up to 1.90. And immediately it gets to that point, PM, right? What is happening? it goes back up. So from here, what happened? It reacted to the line, to the area of conflict, because I had taught psychological level previously in the past. The problem, psychological level works, but this is like an upgrade to a psychological level, because this one, you are not just plotting the lines blindly. Do you know what you're doing? You're plotting the lines based on data. Do you know that we plot this line based on data?
Yes.
We didn't just plot it randomly. We plotted these lines at places that we saw that this at this price region, whenever price got to this point, this is the behavior. So anytime price gets to here, the thing jump. It jump. Let's take notice of this place, because this place is going to serve as a decision-making point. This place is an area of confluence. Are you following me?
Yes.
So now the market, what? From here, what happened? It got to this point. Maybe you must have closed your trade. But when you see that the market is still trading above here, you definitely know that the market wants to make a move to this other point. Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
It got to this point, you have taken your profit. You wait to see what will happen next. Then you come, you see that the market is unable to break this point. You see when it broke this point, sweet. But unable to break this point, it started losing value. What does that tell you? It's about to start coming down. Where is it coming down to? It's coming down here first. If it breaks here, it's coming here. No matter how long it will take, but it's coming here. Now, from here now, you can see that the market was reacting, but it still fell down, It tried to go up, it fell down, it tried to go up, it still fell down. When you see all of this drama happening, what is happening? A consolidation. Unlike here, it came here, it didn't waste time, it went back up. But this time now, you see how the thing is struggling to go back up. Then it still came back down to that same line, and then it's still struggling to go back up. Already you know that this market wants to what? Push back to the downside. Now, the market is now trading below that level. Where is it going down to next? It's going here to the next level. If the market decides to trade back up again, where is it going to next? Are you following me?
Yes.
So let's click on play. This thing, I just picked this market from anywhere. I did not premeditate it or anything. Can you see what's happening? What's happening? Is the market losing value or gaining value? Kind of indecisive. It's still ranging, right? Finally, it gives way. Where is it going to? Bam! It clears that level. Can you see it? It clears that level. It still came back to that same level to tell you how accurate the level is. These are not just what? Random lines. Are we together?
Yes.
These are not just random lines. They are lines that are marked up by what? By data. You see now, the market from here started what? Going back. Is it a coincidence? Do you think it's just random that upon the way the thing fell, it came back to this line and stopped falling? It stopped falling. It just came to this line and it's like it recognized this line. I'll stop falling from here. It's not random. But if you don't plot the line, you will not know. You will think that, why is the thing? You'll be expecting it to keep on dropping. You will not know that there is a wall here that is making price unable to drop below that point. Come on, are you understanding me?
Yes.
Are you getting it now? So when you are plotting your charts, it is very, very important to get your areas of confluence. And remember, this area of confluence, we didn't pick it on H1, no. Neither did we pick it on H4. We picked it on daily because we want to get a very, very strong level. Remember what I said the other time? What did I say? The higher time frame controls the smaller one. Can we say it together? 1 to go. The higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. One more time. The higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. The last time. The higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. So any level you pick on the higher time frame, it has more weight than a smaller time frame. If you pick a break of structure on a higher time frame, that break of structure can serve a better purpose of an area of confluence compared to what? A higher time frame. Are you following me, guys?
Yes.
Are you still here? So nothing just happens in the market. Look at this market that push higher. Look at the size of this candlestick. And yet immediately it got to this place. It changed his mind. With the way the thing has been pushing up, one would have thought that it would just keep on shooting up. But with all this whole pressure, it came here and still changed his mind. What does that tell you? There is something here that we need to look out for. Now, we don't know if the market is going to from here drop. We don't know if the market is going to from here go up. But what we do know is that if we are on a buy trade, what's going to happen to our trade? We should be looking at closing our buy trade when the market gets here. And then wait for what will happen next. From here now, as the market kept on dropping, do you need a prophet to tell you where it's coming to next? It's coming here. Is that not so? When it comes here, what happens? We close and then we wait for what will happen next. Now, this way, you increase your chance of profitability by over 60%. Because you are not leading the market is leading you. Come on now. You are not leading the market is what? Leading you.
Sir, even if we are sent to 1 week and you are teaching that place,
Yeah,
you can close it.
you can close it, sir.
So where do you do your entry?
If we don't
I'm coming to that.
close it, we will see come back to profit.
Well, time will tell if the thing is going to still come back to profit. But since you know the destination, once it gets to that destination, you close and then you wait. Are we together?
So I have two questions.
Yeah.
One is where do you
Enter.
enter, and another one is
No problem. So now, look at this market now.
sorry, the other one is does this one not encouraging scalping? Because
Well, yeah. The thing is that because of the time frame we are analyzing from, follow me, because of the time frame we are analyzing the market from, because it's a daily time frame, this kind of trade, you can still be a swing trader. Because you can imagine how long it took for the market to, let's say, from here gets to this point. Even if I enter the market here, I still would have been in this market for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 days. That's like 1 week. So it strikes a balance between a scalper. If you want to go in and out, or you want to go in and stay, the most important thing is that we are seeing the same thing and we are trading the same direction. Are we together?
yes.
Are we together? Yeah. So, but I just wanted us to be able to, know how to get all of these levels. It's very, very important.
So the best
It's on a daily time frame.
daily
Yeah, on a daily time frame. Get the levels on a daily time frame, right? And then what will happen? You just keep on trading like that. Now, okay, you wanted to ask a question.
I wanted to ask if it's possible to keep levels on the weekly time.
Yeah, you can also pick it on a weekly, but are you ready to hold your trade for that long? Do you get? Are we ready to hold our trade for that long? That's the next question. If you can hold your trade for that long, there's no problem. You can pick it on a weekly time frame.
And that's in 1 week. I mean.
More than 1 week, oh. If you are picking your trade on a weekly time frame, it's more than 1 week. So now, let me now go further to explain some other things for us so that we would know how to, we will not be trading this market blindly. Okay? Are we still here?
Yes.
All right. Amazing. So let's pick a different asset, for example. Let's pick a different asset. Let's say this is what? Eurocard. Is that also?
Yes.
If we look at Eurocard, for example, we can see that on a weekly time frame, we have had the following developments. We have had the market, push up, created this high over here, and then the market kept on dropping. Is that also? And now the market is reacting. It's like it's going back up. Okay. Now, when the market was dropping, it was reacting to the levels that have been created on this leg. Are we together? All this drop here is to react to the levels that are here. Now, when the market is going back up, it is going to react to the levels that are. Are we together? Come on, are we still here?
Yes.
We didn't get that part too. If the market is dropping, it's going to try to interact with the level that has been created here. It's always reacting to the immediate past. Always reacting to the immediate past. The move before this move, this is the move, right? The move before this one is this one. This happened before this. So when the market is going down, it is going to attempts to test all those levels that have been created on this leg. Don't look too far. Don't look too far. Just focus on what has just happened. And then now, since this one now, the market is going back up, what is happening? It's going to attempt to check the levels that are here. All together. So now, we have seen the market has done all of these movements here. Let's say for 2 weeks, for example. So now, let's plot it this way. Let's plot it this way. Let's say we see the market here at that point, okay? If we meet the market at this point, right here, what is our best bet? How do we approach it? Remember, this is on a weekly time frame. Is that also? What can we see first of all? If I'm looking at this market like this, the first thing I can see, okay, the market has previously gone up and has created a high here before it dropped. Now it is trying to recover. How serious this recovery will be, I don't know yet. But let me first of all plot what I have seen. Are we together? So now, I can definitely see that the market has made this high over here. So if it has made that high, the market has made this high over here, and then the market has been dropping ever since. Very good. So on a daily time frame, what am I trying to do? I'm going to attempt to what? Since we now have the market trying to recover, I'm going to focus from here. Are we together? I'm going to focus from this drop to check all those levels that exist, because those are the levels that the market is going to work and start interacting with as it is going back up. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
All right. So from this level, assuming we'll put a line there. What that line means is that all here, we're not really concerned about it anymore. We're only concerned in making sense of what has happened here. Are we together?
Yes.
So from here, what can we see? We can see different levels playing out. I can definitely see a level here, tested multiple times. We had a break of structure here. The market came back, tested it again, tested it again, tested it again. So we can see already that there's a level there that I need to pay close attention to. So I'm going to put it there.
I think it's easy to be looking at this.
Huh?
I think you already know it, but for us,
It's just that it's the first time.
Yes.
When I was teaching supply and demand, it was looking very strange. By the time we do this class 2-3 times, don't worry, you can even close your eye and say it's there. I can see it.
So the example, look at this one.
No. This, I said break of structure. What we consider as a break of structure is the body close. So you can see this is a lower low, lower high, break of structure. You can see the body close. So it is this level I am picking. And why am I picking this level? I'm not just picking it because it's a break of structure. I'm picking it because that level has been contested multiple times. So the first time it interacted with the level was here. It broke it. Then this is the first time it reacted to it. Look at, even here, it came here, it tapped on it multiple times, but it was just shying away from it. And then finally, it respected it. Then it still came back to that same level again. It's not a coincidence that the price came back to that same level and then pushed back up. It still came back to that level. Look at the way it came back with full force. And it still shy away from that level. So how many times will the thing happen before I will know that, this is a level I need to watch out for, right? And then you can see the market came here, it dropped, came here, it dropped, came here, it dropped. So clearly, there is something at this level that is making price, always reacting like that. Are we together? Come on, are we together?
Yes.
And I can still see a level here. Can you look at this level? Drop, drop, drop. It's not a coincidence. All these things don't happen random. They are pre-planned. Can you see it now? They are planned to happen. I really don't want to use this level. Do you know why I don't want to use it? Let me show you. There's a level here that I really don't want to use. This level here. Do you know why? Because it's looking a little bit messy. It's not as clean as this one that just tapped on it and dropped, tapped on it and dropped, tapped on it and dropped. This one looks kind of a little bit messy. It's looking like it's not capturing it enough. Instead of me to use that one, I can rather better decide to use this one. This one now is more straightforward. Look at the level. It just came, tapped on it, reacted. This one is much more cleaner. Are you following me? So you can decide to use, if the wick does not serve the entire purpose of it. Do you get it? If I put it to the wick, it's still okay. We have 1, 2 level here. Do you understand? It's still okay. But this level now, it looks like this level was a little bit shy away from it. I can just decide to just push it to the body just to capture this level. Do you understand? It's still allowed. Are we together?
Yes.
So I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible so that the levels are not hard to read. I know that, okay, this is the level that price has reacted to multiple times. Look at this level. Price has reacted to it multiple times. Look at this one. Reacted to it multiple times. Is it not clean like this?
Yeah.
Very, very clean, right? So now, if I look at the market now, I definitely know that if the market is coming up, this is a level I need to watch out for first. Are we together? Are we together? So even this level that dropped from here, this level that dropped from here, I already know where this level is coming from. This level is coming from here. Okay? This is the level. Let me make it okay. The market created this high here, break of structure here. Are we together?
Yes.
Broke it, came back to that same level, tapped on it, to that same break of structure level, and then started pushing up. That is the most recent level that the market has been able to drop to, and then what? It's now looking like it's flying to the upside. Are we together?
Yes.
Very good. So I'm not considering level that has not been tested multiple times. That is why I'm not considering this level here. This obviously is an area of liquidity. If we check it, most likely price might have tapped on it, but this level has not been tested and trusted. Somebody say tested and trusted.
Tested and trusted.
So we need levels that have been tested and trusted, that Anytime price gets here, it will behave like this. Those are the only levels we want to consider. Are we together?
Yes.
So from here now, where do you think the market is going? It's going here first, Abi?
Yes.
After here is here. After here is here.
Go there and test.
And still decide to come down. But at least you know that here, you are not doing anything. Whatever buy trade you are on here, you must have taken your profit here. Are we together?
Yes.
So it gives you a clear, rather, I don't want a situation whereby you see money and you're expecting it to go higher. And then the thing now goes against you. You know, that feeling is very painful. When you see $20, you say, Coach Bray says it's going to $40.
Very annoying.
You get? Then you now leave it. You don't know that the thing has gotten to a level where you are supposed to close that trade. Then you now leave it from $20, it now keep on coming against you. Now, see, there's something that happens in the life of a trader. A trader that has seen $20 and did not close, and that $20 turned to $5 profit. Do you know that sometimes it's difficult for that trader to close that $5 profit and walk away with it? Because the trader feels like they have cheated him. So you will not say, I saw $20 yesterday now. I did not close. Me, I will not collect $5. I will not collect this $5. Anything that want to happen, let it happen. You will not come back and see minus 20. You will not be wishing that, that $5 profit I saw was a warning from God. Oh, I should have taken that warning seriously. But now, if you understand this thing now, you now know how to, just like when somebody blindfold your eye and they say go front, the person can see what you cannot see. And they say, okay, it's okay, turn right. If you keep on going front, you are doing that out of your own will, no longer from the direction. So already you can see the market now. It has now become much more easier for you. So if the market has become much more easier for you, what do? You follow it as what? As it is. My boss is in the building. Please put your hands together for him. So you follow it as it is. If I click on the replay button now, what will you see? You are seeing it, Abi?
Yes. Respecting those areas.
Can you see it now? Is it a coincidence that all the push that happened, they ended here? For the thing to stop here and then start what? Going back to the downside. What does that tell you? It has met a level that has been tested, what? And trusted. Don't worry, because since it's the first time, this lecture, me myself, I'm still trying to put it together. Do you understand? But by the time we do it again and again, you will be able to see it clearly. Are we together?
Yes.
So, it is no coincidence that the market is reacting from this level, dropping from here to the downside. True or false? Where is it going now? It's going here. It's going to test this level. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So somebody that is on a buy trade previously, okay, it didn't, let's say it did not test that level, right? It has not gotten, maybe it did not get to that level. It went back to this level right here. And then you can see already the behavior that the market is trying so hard to come back to this level. It didn't get to this level, it came back here, but you can already see that it is coming back here. So as it stands now, where are we looking at? It will what? Definitely get here before a new decision will now be made, either to take it back up. This level, do you know when this level expires? Wait, let me learn. Do you know when this level expires? This level will expire. All of this level will expire when this high has been taken out. Do you understand? Remember, we are looking at this leg here. Is that also? So until this high has been taken out, we are still going to be using this level to guide us. But when this high has been taken out, we now focus on this leg. We now replot the levels again because everything has changed. A new level, this leg now would have given us some new levels. You know, this leg now is steady now. It's also giving us new levels. But we're really not paying close attention to those levels. Do you know why we're not paying close attention to those levels? Because the market is reacting to an already established level. Are we together?
Yes.
So it is all these things that are happening in the market. It's not random. How many people do you have on the chat? Can you see them? 13. All right. Shout out to our 13 online audience. So it's not everything that happens in the market is not just random. Everything is planned and structured in a plan. Somebody say everything is planned.
Everything is planned
And structured in a plan.
and structured in the plan.
Do you understand? So, yeah,
If I enter that place, I enter cell.
for here.
Yes.
Okay.
And we decide to look up. Huh? Everything will come back to that place.
Of course. Of course. As long as you can see the behavior of price. Clearly now, Prof, now, if I ask you this question now, where do you think the market is going? Okay, it's off. Okay. Can just this place can open it, Abi. Let me open this place. Don't worry. Are we together now?
So all these levels, we draw them on daily or weekly.
Daily,
Daily, not weekly.
not weekly. Weekly, the scope will be too far. I want something that we can just be.
So on this daily, you can view the levels of 30 minutes.
Yeah. Once you have plotted it on a daily, right? It will still be there. Once you plot it on a daily, even if you go lower, it will still be there. Do you understand? It will still be there. By the time we're now looking at entry prices, how do we enter? That one is not a separate conversation. But at least with this approach now, you'll be able to tell who is in control of the market now. If I had not drawn it, you probably would not have known that the sellers are now in the market again. Are we together?
Yes.
The buyers push the price higher. True of us. We have a retracement here. Is that also? The price has continued to go higher. Is that also?
Yes.
Without this level, you will still be thinking that the price is still going up. It's just probably suffering a temporary retracement. But you will not know that the market has started what? Coming to the downside.
But using my own layman, the buyer will still come because that buyer not touch the.
The buyers will still come, but that will be happening when the market has interacted with here. Prof, is that also? Picture staircase.
What I'm saying that I don't buy. I thought this up.
This one.
Yes.
Remember when the thing started dropping?
Yes.
It was supposed to get here. Is that also?
Yes.
Did it get there? No. So what the market is trying to do at the moment is just to go back and what? Clear that level. Do you understand? So yes, anything can happen in the market. The market has bought from here, right? It has. If the buy was so strong, why didn't it get to here? Why did it stop here? And then what is happening? So this market, this approach, you are allowing the market to lead you. You are not leading the market. It is what the market has done, right? That you are now what? Making sense of. reacting to. Are we together?
Yes.
So now let's proceed. Now, even this approach is not 90. I would have loved to say it's 98% accurate. There's no strategy that is 98% accurate. None. Even a 40% accurate strategy is good once you can fix your risk to reward ratio.
I want to have this small something.
Are we together?
Just stop.
So now let me now show you how to enter. Remember, everything we did on the daily time frame is just trend. It's just to investigate what? The trend. Is that not so?
Yes.
So by the time you now switch it down to, let's say, even a 1 hour time frame, it becomes even way easier for you. Let's say the market now, at this point now, the market is coming down. If the market is coming down, the same thing we saw on a daily time frame. If I want to plot this level now, how will I plot it? That's the next question. If I want to plot this level, how will I plot it? Just the same way I plotted it on a daily time frame, that's the same way I'm going to plot it now. Because if the market is beginning to come down, right, it is going to be reacting to all of these levels right here. Is that also? So that's exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing.
Not on 1 hour.
Yeah, this is now we're talking about entry. We're talking about entry now. So, but even when the market has not done that, the market had previously done something like this. Can you see it now? We have seen that drop, right? The market what came here, break of structure, and still came back again to that same level before it dropped. So if I want to enter this market at the moment, where should I be entering it? I should be looking at entering it here and then riding it to the downside. Now, as the market is still going down, it will still be clearing new levels. Are we together?
Yes.
It will still be clearing new levels. Example of another level that the market will clear is this level now. Can you see it? This is a level. There's another level here. This is now entry.
Wait, sir. At this area of complex.
Exactly. Just the way we'll pick area of confluence on a daily time frame for the purpose of direction. When we go down to a smaller time frame, what are we looking for? Entry. We don't want to just be selling anyhow. No, we just want to look for those same areas that are problematic on a smaller time frame. So that in this case now, if I want to sell, where do you think I should sell? Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
Is it not simple like this?
Yes.
If I want to sell, I'm just waiting for the market. Once you enter your APM, I sell.
Or wait for
The
that one.
intention that you get to
Yeah. Now the risk, listen. Remember, this is a level. As long as price is below this level, we know that our best trade will be to sell. Are we together?
Yes.
If price starts to trade above this level, there is a higher chance that it wants to go up to the next level. So I'll be looking for trades that will be supporting me to sell below this level. And then I ride the trend to the level down. Are we together? So at that point now, this other side now, I will not be considering it, because anything that makes price to start trading above that level, what does that mean? Prof, now look at it. If price now decide now to start coming and start trading above here, what does it mean? It wants to go here. Is that not so? But as long as price is below here, what does it mean? It's coming down. So if I want to enter this trade, this is the place I'm going to enter. I'm going to set a sell limit here. calculate my stop loss, put my take profit here, and then I allow the trade to run. Now, sometimes you can still decide, for those of us that don't have mind, people like Hawa has mind though. She has mind. If you don't have mind, you can keep your take profit here, because you definitely know that it's coming back here first before it comes to this side. Can keep it here, but if you have mind, just this is the ideal place to keep your take profit, because you know that this is where the market is actually originally designed to get to. It tried to get to this point, but it shied away and then it went back up. Now the head has corrected back. It's now going back down. So you can decide to, okay, I want to sell immediately, or if you want to use a precision approach, you enter at what? At a retest. So you can see that the same thing we did on a bigger time frame. Is that not the same thing we are doing on a smaller time frame now?
Yes.
On a bigger time frame, we use it for trends to get direction. On a smaller time frame, what are we doing? Entry. Are we together?
Yes.
Entry. You see this lecture? I will revisit it again tomorrow. I will revisit this lecture again tomorrow. And trust me, by tomorrow, you think you have not learned to, but by the time I repeat it again, you will start connecting it. Oh, this thing is said. This thing is said it yesterday. Are we following?
Yes.
The same thing you see on a bigger time frame for a different purpose, on a smaller time frame is for a different purpose. I can go on and on. This kind of trade now, I'll be looking for what? Sell limit, because this is an area. Look at it. Price dropped from here, came back here, it bought from this side. So I definitely know, as long as price is now below here, selling to the downside, what do I expect to happen? Once it goes up, piam, it's going back down. Are we together?
Yes.
Now,
Sir,
yeah.
for you to go back right now,
Yeah.
it will take up to wait also.
We don't know. Everybody help me and tell you we don't know.
You don't know.
We don't know.
That place.
It can be 1 day. It can be 1 hour. It can be 2 months. God, I beg you. Nobody knows. Right? But actually, I think there's a tool to actually know. I think there's a tool. Let me use this measurement tool. I want to measure it from here to here. I'm going to find it out. Okay. I'm going to find it out and tell you. I think there's a tool for it. I think maybe forecasting tool. 1 minute, let me check. Okay. So if I use a forecasting tool to check, right, what the forecasting tool is telling me is that the market should travel from here to here in 17 hours. You can see it, 17 hours.
It's less than 1 day.
Less than 1 day. That's what it is telling me. But the market reality can be different. Are you following me? The market reality can be what? Different, completely different. It's telling me 17 hours. It can happen 2 days. We don't know. But one thing we know is that as long as we are on the right side of the trade, we should not bother ourselves. Are we together?
Yes.
Look at what happened to USD CHF. Who would have thought that a trade we picked here last week Wednesday Up until Friday, it has not given us anything.
It went up and
Went up, came down. Up until even yesterday itself, really nothing. Is it not today that it's now looking like it's looking promising? I think yesterday it went really, really well. Yesterday it went up well. Because I saw like 40 pips, close to 40 pips. Okay? And then today, now you close that much? $2 point something.
that's gone up now.
It has even gone up. It's you I will blame.
I see that you put money.
Okay, it has made you more money. Because I myself, the truth is that I myself am on the trade as well. Let me see how much I'm making. Okay, now, for me, I'm making, currently the market has made, let's say, close to 50 pips from where we entered. So, if we had left the trade, we would have been making, let's say, $4.9 now. How much did you close? 2 point something dollars. No problem now. How much are you making now?
Thank you.
At 0.0, what lot size? 0.05. $20. So that would be like at 0.01, it would be like $4. Right? No problem. We move. Somebody said we move. So there's no problem. So, but we understand the point now. So with this approach now, you already know that, okay, the thing is dropping down. No more confusion. The only reason why there's no confusion is because it is the bigger time frame that is guiding you. If you want to suffer, try this thing on a smaller time frame. Try to plot your level on a smaller time frame. The levels will not be respected because smaller time frames are filled with what? Noise. We have a lot of noise happening on a smaller time frame. Too much noise. That's why we just go to the daily time frame, pick level, and then we plot it from there. Are we together? Come on, are we together?
Yes.
Are we taking that thing?
This one. Should we take this one?
Because I see it's going down.
It's going down. The distance between where we would have entered and where it is currently now is around 20 pips. Close to 20 pips.
Wait now.
Let's wait. Or maybe we'll just enter with a sell limit at the price we want to enter. Rather than just going. Can we try it? All right, guys. We're about to take a trade. Are we ready? Week before last, we took a trade. How much did we make? USD JPY? $20. Big trade. Last week, we took a trade. We made like $3, $4. We're about to take another trade. And remember, choose your trade wisely. You know, after this trade, we're not taking another one.
Yeah, we'll check it. Let's check it out.
Should we take this one or we should, because it's only one trade a week. I don't want to expose you to much risk.
Let's take it tomorrow.
Because this one is a sell limit, we should check another one.
It's a sell limit. Yes, it's a sell limit, but the distance is not that much. You can trigger between now and tomorrow. So let's take this one. Are we together? Let's take this one. So everybody, place a sell limit on what the pen? Euro card. People online, Euro card sell limit. I'm going to give you the entry price right now. Euro card sell limit. Are we together? I'm not hearing your voice again, no.
Yes.
Sell limit entry price 1.60561. Sell limit entry price 1.60561. Stop loss. Let me keep it at just. Stop loss 1.61064. Take profit 1.58594. 58594. I take that again. Entry price 1.60561.
561.
Yes. Stop loss 1.61064. Take profit 1.58599. Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? Have you placed the trade? So online, if you have placed the trade, kindly reply done. If you have placed the trade, reply done in the comment section. Guys, have you placed the trade? If you have placed the trade, reply done in the comment section. I want to see those comments. Eurocard sell limit. I've given you the best price we can possibly get at the moment. All right, so these are our trades, right? It's going to trigger, hopefully. I'm not going to clear it. I'm just going to leave it like that, okay? Have you been able to place it? So, guys, online, we do this every week, Wednesday and Thursday. So, you might want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. So, once we come live again tomorrow, YouTube is going to notify you that we are live. You can join us just like that. We have this class every day, every Wednesday and Thursday by 12. Okay? So, I believe everybody must have taken the trade on Eurocard.
This next CHF has been dancing.
NTD-CHF.
Yes.
Please close that trade. Close it. That trade has been giving us problem. We took that trade since last week, Monday. Is that not so? I call that trade on the weekly market outlook since last week, Monday. The trade has just been dilly-dallying. Please close it. I will even tell them to close. Okay, you can add it. If it is not there, you come to quote, come here plus, and then you type Eurocard. Eurocard plus. Then you can now new order, sell limit, put the price, put your lot size. So guys, have we been able to do it?
Yes.
So let me have your questions now. Let me have your questions now. So we have been able to address the top, like the conversation surrounding area of confluence. I hope by now you should be able to know what an area of confluence is
Yes.
and how to spot it. It may not be too clear, but by tomorrow, hopefully, it will be much more clearer. Are we together? So now, let's proceed. Let's do one more asset. You remember? How many of you remember when I said? How many of you remember when I said gold? Gold was going to keep on selling. So okay, now let's look at the price of gold, for example. Okay, let's look at the price of gold, for example. Now, looking at the price of gold, what can we see? Still on a daily time frame, right? We can see that gold made an all-time high of 5,600, dollar per ounce of gold, and then we had a sharp drop. Is that also?
Yes.
And then currently the market has been looking like it wants to, keep on pushing back up. There's no problem. What we can find in the price of gold, the next thing we need to be asking ourselves is that what are those levels that the market, is now reacting to, is now respecting, right? We can definitely see a level here. Of course, this level from here, we can see that level here. So you remember when I told you that the price of gold was continue to will still go down. Are we together? The price of gold will still continue to go down, at least for now. Even up here. Yeah. You see how simple, you see how I'm plotting it now. So what can I see? I've been able to get the level now.
What are they?
This one? This one? No, this one is inside here now. This one is inside here. There's a reason why I did not plot. You don't want to plot it too messy. Okay? You don't want to plot it too messy. Let me check again. Maybe this side. Let me check that level. Because I'm only plotting levels that are speaking to us. Very good. So I've been able to get this level again. I'm not trading from those levels, mind you. Right? Those levels are places I don't do anything. But at least they give me a clear example of the steps that the markets are that the market is taking per time. Are we together? So now, if we look now, we can see that okay, yes, the market has made some significant level of progress. We can see, what can we see now? Is it going up or is it coming down? It's going down, right? Because the market has gone to this level and it dropped. It's supposed to get to this level, but it shied away. Currently now, it's returning back to the downside. Are we together?
Yes.
So I definitely know that this market is definitely coming down to this point. At least it will get here. If it breaks here, then it will come back down to that side. But if it respects here, it's coming back here. After here, is here. After here,
It's
here.
buying there.
No, we are looking at a sell on gold. Remember on gold, there was one time, I thought it was 2 weeks ago, that I told you that the price of gold was continue, it will keep on what? Crashing to the downside. Are we together? We are not trading gold. I'm just trying to explain that just the way it works on currency, it works on all assets. Area of confluence. Guys, have I helped you?
Yes.
Before you go, this that's high.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. It's an all-time high.
Yes. This is the rally days.
Exactly. Rally base drop.
So that's the supply zone.
Supply zone one.
So how do you mark? That's marking, that's like
Okay. First of all, we need to get the leg in, the base, and then the leg out. What is our leg in? This is our leg in. Is that not so?
yes.
What is our base? This is our base.
Yes.
Then this is our leg out. Focus on the base.
Only the base.
Only the base. Only the base candle.
Higher below.
Yeah, this is the base candle. But now this is the wider version of the base candle. So, but if we reduce it to this side, this is now the preferred version. Do you get? So this now becomes the base, which is why that's the level that the market respected. Are we together? So focus on the base. But for you to focus on the base, you must have recognized the leg in, the base, and the leg out. Do you understand? You must recognize it. And the properties of them is that for the leg in, it's always a decisive big candlestick. The base, indecisive. Leg out, decisive, explosive candlestick. And we can find it here. Are we together?
Yes.
So if this is my base, I've been able to get the base. Is that also? This is the base. So we have the proximal line and the distal line. You guys remember now?
Yes.
Distal line is the extreme. Proximal line is here. So adjust the proximal line to meet at least the body of the candlestick. That is now what we call the preferred version. Yeah, it's the proximal, not the distal. It's only the proximal. So this is the proximal line. We push it here, right? And then this is the distal line. We'll leave it there. Are we together?
Yes.
So this now becomes our supply zone. And you can see that price went back for that supply zone. And what happened? It crashed down. Can you see it?
Yes.
So obviously, the market will keep on just going down. So even here, the market just kept on going down until the market is just moving, demand, supply, just like that, going from one place to another. Are we together?
Yes.
Prof, any question for now? Not on this, yeah. Please ask.
For the demand,
Yeah.
you are just
It's still the proxima. This time you adjust it from the up to the down. Yeah. So guys, have I helped you? I really wish I could take questions from the online people. But if you are in Abuja, do well to come to the office. Number 9, Onitsha Crescent, right? Area 11, Gimbia, Abuja. Come to the office. Come and sit and learn. Is the class free or paid for?
Free.
It's free class. Is that not so? Is it free?
Yes.
Did we charge you?
No.
So if you are in Abuja, come to the office. If you are not in Abuja, that's why we are streaming the class. There is nothing as beautiful as coming here physically. I know of a client, somebody reached out to me from Russia. She said she's in Russia. I said, okay, let's be doing online class. She said her contract, the job she's doing in Russia, her contract will expire in October. I said, okay, from now to October, I'll be joining online class. She said no, that she does not understand online, that she's going to wait for when she comes to Nigeria, she's coming to Abuja to attend the physical class. I said, why? She said she does not understand online, that she only understands when she's seeing you face to face. She's seeing other students. She's asking questions. Other people are asking questions. That's the type she understands. So there are some people you may not be able to understand online, and you are in Abuja. Come to the office for class. and it's completely free of charge. Is that okay?
Yes.
So when is our next class? Tomorrow by what time? 12 p.m. Our next class. And I'm going to revisit this again so we can better understand it. If we don't understand this one, we'll not move to the next topic. Is that a fair deal?
Yes.
Is that a fair deal?
Yes.
So guys, tomorrow 12 p.m. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, a round of applause for yourself. Okay.